Omar Laing, 17 years old, just turned 18 yesterday. Keeping party Tommy versus Polo. Everybody excited for him. A young innocent soul, a life was taken where we need justice. This call for justice. This is where everybody have to intervene because too much is going on. This youth is a local youth who come for taking mother out of poverty, impoverished situation, and him father work him honest where him a play football where everybody loved him. He's loved dearly. Not one bad comment about Omar Laing. And this is the result we get as a family, to hear that our cousin on his birthday, the day the Lord made him into this earth, the day the enemy swift his life away drastically, him dying cold-blooded murder, multiple gunshots to his head. Oh my God, this is too much. Me don't even have tears to cry. Me cry too much. Right now, me just want justice. His mother, I ask the Lord for console his family, to hold them in one compact, because this is too much. Death upon death. Me cancel every death angel, every spirit of death. Me put it back to the pit of hell. Omar Laing, we need justice. This is what I'm saying. He went to buy a food and he walk and eat him food. And me hear say him buck him foot. And one girl saw him told them pretty, and another girl said baller. And as him turned the corner, that's what I heard. I wasn't there. That is when the car turned the corner with him. But I need justice. This is too much. Him never deserved that. Me can't come to reality. It's like it's a dream. It's like me a dream. Every close my eye, me see my cousin reflection in front of me. It is too much. Innocent soul. And him Jamaica have next, you know, to come turn the top ball line. I know him did I go deliver. God. You know, see the passion when him a play football.